In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. From the back side of the headlight, which by the way the procedure is going to be exactly the same on both sides, and there is still plenty of room on the other side, but I'm showing you this. Pull on the electrical connector. If you just pull straight back, wiggle it a little bit, it should unplug. There it is. Inspect it. A lot of times these end up corroding. Looks like this one already has some dielectric grease in it, so it should be good. Make sure it's not melted though. That also happens. There's a tab at the top of this rubber piece here. Pull that back and that will expose the light bulb that is on the back of the headlight. And now that exposes the light bulb here. You're going to see the spring-loaded clamp. Press in, pull up on it, and that'll pop it out. At this point, you'll be able to pull the headlight bulb straight out. And there it is. When handling the new bulb, never touch the bulb itself, just touch it on the outside. Line it up with the headlight assembly here. It's got 3 tabs that need to fall into place. Oh, there we go. Spin it a little bit so the 2 will point in each direction at the bottom, so about 45 degrees off, and then the top one, and then the third one will be straight up at the top. Once that's in, you can get this spring tab locked back in. Just press it in and it should hook on this side. Then you're going to want to put this rubber cover back on. This is going to seal everything up, prevent water from getting in here in the back of the headlight bulb. You want to make sure it's pressed on and has gone around the base of the bulb. And then take your electrical connector, plug it in, press it. Do the same on the other side if needed, which I do recommend replacing these in pairs. Test them out, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.